talking about my favorite places. Let me take you there. Dusty dirt roads winding, basking in the warm summer air. Every step is a melody in the rhythm of my soul. Beneath that giant oak tree, man, it makes me whole. The breeze blowing in my hair, the sun shining on my face, while sitting on the cool green grass, feeling nature's embrace. So let's take a stroll, let it ease our mind, through fields of wildflowers, feeling our hearts unwind. God's creation is beautiful, every color, every shade, motion in harmony. The earth's perfection will never fade, savoring each heartbeat under the vast wide skies, in perfect harmony with nature, loving us as it guides. Splashing through the bubbling creek, laughing while I play. Water sings a soothing song, easing any worry away. The creek is refreshing, the water's so clear. Every single ripple whispers secrets in my ear. Stomping through the flowers, wild and free I roam. Every breeze a reminder, and it feels a lot like home. Twirling through the fields, such a colorful dance. The beauty surrounding me in a mystical trance. Oh, let's take a stroll, let it ease our mind, through fields of wildflowers, feeling our hearts unwind. God's creation is beautiful, every color, every shade, motion in harmony. The earth's perfection will never fade, savoring each heartbeat under the vast wide skies, in perfect harmony with nature, loving us as it guides. Sitting by the campfire, the stars shining up above, lost in this moment, flying high on the wings of a dove. With every spark that flies, dreams ignite the night. In the canvas of the heavens, everything shines bright. Catching fireflies, dancing in the twilight glow. The setting sun ignites the sky, paint magic below. So let's cherish these moments in the evening's embrace, together in the stillness, in this very special place. Oh, let's take a stroll, let it ease our mind, through fields of wildflowers, feeling our hearts unwind. God's creation is beautiful, every color, every shade, motion in harmony. The earth's perfection will never fade, savoring each heartbeat under the vast wide skies, in perfect harmony with nature, loving us as it guides. God's creation around me, explosive and bright. Every flickering flame carries dreams in the night. With each gentle whisper of the night's cool air, I find solace in stillness. There's magic everywhere. Such simple pleasures, the beauty of life unfolds in the dance of the shadows, all the secrets it holds. So let's wander together, take the time to explore all my favorite places where our hearts will truly soar. In the serenity of the moment, where I never feel alone, in the beauty of the wild, I found where I belong. Oh, let's take a stroll, let it ease our mind, through fields of wildflowers, feeling our hearts unwind. God's creation is beautiful, every color, every shade, motion in harmony. The earth's perfection will never fade, savoring each heartbeat under the vast wide skies, in perfect harmony with nature, loving us as it guides. each heart beating under the vast white skies. Perfect harmony with nature, loving us as it guides.